Welcome to the complete setup guide for the Request for Quote module. In this video, we'll walk you through each step to install, configure, and customize the Add to Quote button for your store, ensuring a seamless experience for both you and your customers. Let's get started. Step 1. Enabling the Request for Quote module. Head over to the Configurations page and simply toggle the switch to activate the feature. Next, click on Configure and access the Settings icon to proceed to the Installations page. Step 3. Choose your preferred theme. Make sure our app block is compatible with your theme. Before moving forward, it's important to note that the customer conditions you set in the Request for Quote rule will affect the visibility of the Add to Quote button. In this video, we'll configure the conditions to apply to all logged-in and non-logged-in customers, ensuring everyone can see the button in your theme editor. Now, click Enable button on Cart page. When you add products to your cart, the Add to Quote button will appear directly in your theme editor. Finally, save your configurations and voila! The Add to Quote button is now live on your cart page. Customization is key to delivering a branded experience. Let's explore how you can fine-tune the Add to Quote button to match your store's design. You can display the button on both product and collection pages. Just check the boxes to control where the button shows up. Want to position the button in a specific spot on your product page? Choose from options like under the product title, price, or even just below the Add to Cart button. Next, let's tweak the button text. You can adjust the font size, formatting, and color to fit your style. Then, customize the button's shape and color by adjusting the corner radius, border thickness, and background color. You can preview all these changes in real time. Once you're happy with your design, don't forget to save your changes. Now that everything's set up, let's see how it works for your customers. When they visit your storefront, they'll see the Add to Quote button alongside your products. Once they click it, a confirmation modal will appear, allowing them to either view their quote or continue shopping. When they select View Quote, they'll be redirected to the quote portal. Here, they can adjust prices, add notes, and submit their quote. Upon submission, they'll be taken to a thank you page. If you'd like to customize this page, we're here to help. And that's it! You've now fully set up the Request for Quote module for your store. Whether it's customizing the button or managing customer quotes, this feature empowers you to provide a tailored B2B shopping experience. Need more help? Don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching.